Believe me when I say this works. Like, this works like magic. And it doesn't even matter your niche, your channel category. What I want to explain to you on today's video is going to help you. So if you're not getting views, you're not getting the subscribers you desire, you're not getting the watch hours you desire on YouTube, and you have been posting consistently, you have been posting good videos, what I'm going to explain to you in today's video is going to help you. And let me let you know something. Let me shock you. What I want to explain is something that you already know, but you're not using it the right way. You are not even using it the right way. I'm going to go into my phone screen and show you exactly step by step how to use this particular feature and how to optimize it for more views and more subscribers on your channel. Now, before we go into my phone screen, let me get this out of the way. The first thing you need to know is your playlist. Is your playlist optimized? Now, there's a lot of people who have playlists on their channels. Okay, well, some people have playlists on their channels, but let me let you know that these playlists, they just put them there like that. They are not even optimized. And if your playlists are not optimized, you're not helping your channel. And I will not just come here to just blab. Whatever it is that I teach you, people always resonate with it, and it has really helped a lot of people, just like you can see on your phone screen. I will not just come here and just teach you anything. No, it is something that I have either researched or I have experienced myself that I come here to teach you. So please give this video a thumbs up, share to whoever you feel might need it, and if you're not subscribed yet, you're welcome to this beautiful family where we grow together. Okay, so let me get into my phone screen right now and teach you this. So let me go over to my YouTube studio, right? This is content. Okay, now let me first of all show you some views I've gotten from just playlists. Now look at one of my playlists here. Can you see just this particular playlist has gotten me over 900 views, 901 views. This is just from people who will just decide to click on playlists, not just from videos, just people who decide to click on playlists and watch. Almost 1,000 people, 901 people. This one, 88 people. This one, you know, this one has been long. This one was years back. I don't do things like this on my channel, on this particular channel. This one, this playlist has been unlisted, so definitely no people. Guys, just follow through with me because I'm still going to show you some things that are wrong in your playlist. Okay, now look at this one too. You remember when I first started my channel, I was also talking about editing, but then I stopped months ago. But still, I've stopped, people still went ahead to still watch from that particular playlist, and I got over almost 500 people, 472 people from that particular playlist. Now guys, let me show you this let me show you something. This is one video. Now guys, this is one video, right? One of my videos. Now let me show you how many people watched through this playlist so that you understand that sometimes your playlist might be the thing. If you do not optimize your playlist, well, you will not get enough views. Now this particular video has had over, I think, 5,000 views. Yes, let me check. Yes, this particular video has had over 5,000 views, but from the playlist it was just 13 people. Let's go to another video. Now you can see this particular video has had over 41,000 views. Let us go to the playlist and see how many people. Just follow through with me, okay? Imagine just one person viewed from the playlist. So I'm going to show you how that you are not optimizing some of your playlists well. If you do not optimize them well, right, people will not click to watch. Let's go. Now let me take you over to my YouTube page, okay? So you click on your profile picture, then it brings you to this page, right, where you can see all your channel history. Now let me go over to my playlist. Can you see this, my playlist here? Number one, take note of the title of this playlist and relate it to your own channel. So like now on my own channel, I do YouTube growth, right? Here you can see grow your YouTube channel 100 times fast. I used keywords grow, I used keywords YouTube channel, and then fast also because people want to grow their channels fast. Do you understand? There are other ways I can tweak this, but that's not all. Now, see one thing that I will tell you is wrong with people's videos. Number one, the title of your playlist. What is the title of your playlist? Are you actually using keywords that people are searching for? Use keywords that people are searching for. And I've taught you that it is very easy. You can go over to ChatGPT, or you just go over to Binge. I prefer using my Binge app because it gives me exact responses. Just go over to your Binge and just type, hold on, let it load please. Note that even on Binge, you can use voice chat or you can use text, whichever one works for you. I use voice sometimes, I use text sometimes, but let me use text so that you will be able to see what I'm doing. So I'll be like, I need an SEO. Remember, I've always said add SEO friendly. I need an SEO friendly title for my YouTube channel playlist. Okay guys, just go flow with me. Okay, for my YouTube channel playlist, then you now tell it what your channel is all about. My channel is about growing on YouTube, and this playlist contain videos that are centered around YouTube growth. You know, all these things, you have to give the exact promptings or the exact prompts so that it can give you what exactly you want. So this one, it has given me, can you see, different titles for my playlist. I can decide to use mastering YouTube growth, tips and strategies for success, boost your YouTube channel, proving growth techniques, YouTube growth hacks from zero to hero, the ultimate guide to growing your YouTube channel, YouTube success blueprint, grow your channel fast. Now, this is not just it. If your channel is about fashion, beauty, any other thing, vlogs, name it, just come here. You can even copy this template that I just used. Okay, do you understand? You can copy this particular template, but instead of putting for my YouTube channel about growing in YouTube, put what your own channel is about. Maybe my channel is about fashion, my channel is about news, politics, anything that you do on your channel. Do you understand? So let's continue. So with this, it's going to help you get a very good title, optimized title for your playlist. Now let's click on my playlist. Now you can see my playlist here has 132 videos. I'm going to tell you what is wrong with this playlist, and I'm going to tell you how we are going to resolve what is wrong. Before then, if you do not have a playlist yet, right, and you want to create a playlist, just go back, right, and then come here to where you have your playlist. You're going to see this plus here. Just tap on the plus. Okay, so once you tap on the plus, you can just write the title of your playlist. Then here you can see private. If you tap on the drop down arrow, you see public, unlisted, private. Public, you want anybody to be able to search for and see your playlist. Unlisted is only when you want to share the link with some specific people, you keep it unlisted. Then private, when you know it's for just your own use. Do you understand? So you just create it, and that's it. If you want to collaborate, you can always collaborate with people, but that's not where we are going today. So click on the playlist right now. If you want to add more videos to your playlist, just come here and click on plus. Do you understand? Once you click on plus, you can easily search for any video and add to that playlist. That's why you see some people, when they collaborate with some people, they will add their videos to their own playlist, and you will see their videos on their playlist. So that's it. Now look at this edit. This is very important. Once you tap on that edit, let me show you what I did. See this pencil icon here? That's what I just tapped on. You see this, it is going to bring you to this place where you have your title, where you have your description. See, this place is very, very important. What you want to do is to come over to title. Once you've put in the title, like we already searched for our titles, right, you now come here to your description and still go ahead to put in a very, very optimized, a very SEO friendly description that includes keywords that are related to your channel. See, if you do not know how to do it, go again to that app, type, write for me a description box. You tell it the name of your channel, you tell it to write for you a description box that is SEO friendly and related to what you do on your channel. Just something short and simple. Do you understand? But don't let me bore you with that, so this video will not be too long. So you come here and edit your description. You will come to visibility and make your playlist public. make it, because if your playlist is not public, people will not see it and people will not click to watch. Do you understand? We are still going to one particular problem, okay, that we need to resolve on this particular playlist, so that it will help you also with your own channels. Okay, now if you want to delete a playlist, you just come over to these three dots here, just tap on it, you can see delete here. Or if you want to shuffle, do you understand? Then if you want to share your playlist link, this is it, but be sure of where you are sharing to, okay, so you don't make any mistake. Do you understand? Now what is wrong with this playlist? What is wrong with this playlist? Congratulations on my 6k subscribers. Oh guys, I just hit 6k subscribers. Okay, so what is wrong with this playlist? See, if you've watched to this moment, tell me congratulations so that I can know that you watched to this moment. Okay, so if you are here already, once you get here, what is wrong with this playlist? Now if we look at the number of videos that we have here, it is telling us 132 videos, my darlings, inside one single playlist. 132 videos. Now look at what is wrong there. This one is talking about YouTube recommending your videos. This one is YouTube recommending your videos, which is good. This one is talking about how I was able to get more views. Do you understand? This one is talking about what you are supposed to do in order for your videos to be pushed out to your subscribers. This one is talking about YouTube recommendation. This one is talking about how to get more views. This one is talking about why you shouldn't share links. Can you see what I'm saying? This one is talking about watch hours. This one is talking about how to upload right. This one is talking about how to protect your channel. Can you see different things? This one is talking about why you shouldn't switch your accounts. This one is talking about a particular trending video. Can you see? This one here is even talking about when I hit my 3,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That was 2 months ago. Do you understand? So it is talking about different topics and everything. Can you see? Everything. I have them what? Inside just one playlist. Now if I put this particular playlist on my videos or my channel, my end screens, wherever I want to put it, and people see this playlist and click on it, automatically they'll be redirected to all these videos. Now you have confused people, because when they watch a particular video, you want to redirect them to a playlist that contains videos that are related to that particular video that they just finished watching, so that they'll be able to easily find something they want, something that resonates with them, and click and watch. But here, if they come here and they are seeing different things, my dear, some people will not even know where to start. Do you understand? This one even has shorts. Can you see? It has a short. It has different things. So it is not right. Now what I'm going to do is to just come over and then shuffle my playlist, like rearrange or reorganize my playlist. Do you understand? So what I'm just going to do is to go ahead, click on this, just go back like this, what I showed you. If you want to create a new playlist, go back and just click on this place. Or before then what I can do, right, is to go over to this particular playlist, just come over to this place, okay, that icon, that pencil icon, come here, change the name of this playlist, okay, maybe I will say make YouTube. You will see that after this video you will see everything well organized. Make YouTube recommend your videos for more views. Now this one is more specific, so if I finish this one, I'll come here and tap on save. Once I tap on save, guys, I'm saying this so you can do this on your channel. Once I tap on save, now the name has been changed, okay, we have our title right. What I can just do is to come to every video that doesn't have to do with this and remove from my playlist. You can see here, sorry, just come here, look at what I'm tapping on. Like for example, this one, if I want to shift this, okay, what I can just do is to come and tap on these 3 dots and then come and tap on remove from this or save to playlist. It will now bring out my other playlist that I would have created already. So if I want more playlists, maybe increase your views on your channel, I'll come here and tap on new playlist. I just hope you understand. Increase your views on YouTube channel or on YouTube videos, anyone. Do you understand? And I'll come here and do what? I'll come to this place and make it public. Do you understand? I'll come to this place and make it public and tap on create. If you don't tap on create, you've not done anything. So you tap on create. Do you understand? So you can now start adjusting, organizing, give your playlist new names, new titles that contain keywords. Make sure that they contain keywords. Go to your Binge app or ChatGPT and use it to get for yourself keywords. Now, once you are done with that, once you are done with arranging all your playlists, okay, what you want to do is to now come here finally to this place. You are going to see this other pencil icon. Remember, there are two different pencil icons here. This is one, this is another one here. Now you come to this particular one, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see choose from library, take photo, create with AI. If you want to create your thumbnail with an AI, because this one is for thumbnails, because your playlist also need to be optimized with their thumbnails. People need to see the thumbnail of your playlist and they must be attracted by what they see. Do you understand? So come here, tap on choose from library to pick a picture from your phone gallery, or you take picture. Of course, you wouldn't want to just take picture. You want to make sure you have edited your thumbnail very well. Then you come and choose from library. Do you understand? So once you are done with that, you, the same way you've done for this, you go to your other playlist and do for them to change the titles, the description, optimize them, come to your thumbnail, optimize everything. Do you understand? So that once you decide to publish your playlist, all right, I'm going to teach you how to do that on another video. But once you decide to publish your playlist, all right, so that people can see them very well, as soon as they see them, they will be moved to watch. Also, people can easily go to any platform and search, and your own will come out. If I take you to my YouTube studio now, let me just quickly show you something. This is one of my videos on YouTube. You will see that the reach here, if I come over to the reach here, you will see that where external sites, remember guys, remember that I do not share my links. So if at all I'm seeing any of these from external sites, just know that people are either searching for people, like for example, see Google search now. I did not post anything on Google, but because people go to Google and search for anything, my video, because my video is well optimized, it will come out. So 25% of people have seen this particular video from Google search. And then WhatsApp, people are sharing my videos for me on WhatsApp. God bless you all that are sharing. Do you understand? Then people are searching for my name also. Do you understand? So this is really going to help you. Watch out for my next video where I'm going to show you how you can then rightly position your playlist so that people can be able to easily see them and click on them, so that you can get more views, more watch hours, because the more views you get, the more subscribers you get also. Don't forget to get registered for my YouTube one-on-one session.